Hello students, Shubh good morning. I am Hemant Shukla. I am going to teach you physics subject, and I am going to start the chapter units and measurement. As you know that physics is the science subject dealing with nature and natural phenomena. Now, what is a physical quantity? Any quantity which can be measured is known as physical quantity, and they are of two types: fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. And to measure physical quantities, for fundamental physical quantities we have fundamental units or base units, and for derived physical quantities we have derived units. So measurement of any physical quantity involves comparison with a certain basic, arbitrarily chosen, internationally accepted reference standard called unit. तो स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को जो हम मेज़र करते हैं तो उसमें हम कोई एक यूनिट चूज़ करते हैं, और वो यूनिट कैसी होनी चाहिए? जो इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड हो, ग्लोबली जो हर जगह यूज़ की जा रही हो, हर कंट्री में यूज़ की जा रही हो. Now the measurement of a given physical quantity is in fact a comparison of the quantity with its unit. जब मेज़रमेंट में क्या होता है कि हम किसी एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का मेज़रमेंट कर रहे हैं तो किसी एक यूनिट से उसको कंपेयर करते हैं. सपोज यू वांट टू मेज़र द लेंथ ऑफ ए टेबल, सो यू यूज मीटर स्केल, एंड सपोज लेंथ ऑफ टेबल इज 2 मीटर. दिस मीन्स that length of table is 2 times the standard unit meter. Now to express measurement of any physical quantity, two things must be mentioned: first unit and second the numerical value. जैसे इस टेबल के मेज को लेंथ को जो हमने मेज़र किया तो उसमें क्या है? दो टर्म है, 2 मीटर. 2 इज न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू एंड मीटर इज इट्स यूनिट. Now suppose you measure the length of table in centimeter, then it will be 200 centimeter. Now by changing the unit, length of table is not going to be changed. So if n1 and n2 be the numerical values of a physical quantity in two different units u1 and u2, दो different units हैं हमारे पास, एक u1 है u2 है, और उसमें किसी मेज़रमेंट की जो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू n1 और n2 है, सो देयर प्रोडक्ट इज कांस्टेंट. देन n1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय u1 इज इक्वल टू n2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय u2, बिकॉज बाय चेंजिंग द यूनिट लेंथ ऑफ टेबल इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी चेंज्ड. अगर हम यूनिट चेंज कर देते हैं तो ये टेबल की लेंथ थोड़ी चेंज होने जा रही है, टेबल की लेंथ वैसे ही रहेगी. So all physical quantities can be expressed in the units of length, mass and time in mechanics. जो mechanics है उसमें length, mass और time को base units मान के all other physical quantities को हम express कर सकते हैं. And in electromagnetism, thermodynamics and optics, electric current, temperature and luminous intensity are fundamental quantities. So here is a list of physical quantity, name of its unit and symbol. So there are 7 such fundamental physical quantities and fundamental units. One is length, it is measured in meter. Second is mass, measured in kilogram, it is written as kg, meter is written as m. Third is time, unit is second, written as small s. Electric current, unit is ampere, written as capital A. Temperature, unit is Kelvin, written as K. Amount of substance, unit is mole, written as mol. In salt, this is mole and this is mol, mole in salt. Luminous intensity, its unit is candela. This is for measurement of light energy, and it is in salt written as CD. Now for derived physical quantities, we have derived units. The units of all physical quantities can be derived with the help of fundamental units by suitable power on one or more fundamental units. किसी भी derived physical quantity, for example जैसे एरिया है, तो एरिया की यूनिट हम लेंथ की यूनिट से डिराइव कर सकते हैं. सो एरिया इज हेयर derived physical quantity. Area, suppose this is a rectangle, its area is length into breadth. So formula is length into breadth. Unit of length meter and unit of breadth also meter, because it is measured with the same meter scale. So unit of area is meter square. तो जो derived units हैं उन्हें हम फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके या डिवाइड करके या उनमें अप्रोप्रिएट पावर रेस करके डिराइव यूनिट्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. डेंसिटी ऑफ ए सब्सटेंस, फार्मूला इज मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम, यूनिट ऑफ मास केजी, यूनिट ऑफ वॉल्यूम मीटर क्यूब. सो इट्स यूनिट इज केजी इंटू मीटर टू द पावर -3. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time, so its unit is meter per second or meter into second to the power -1. Now apart from 7 base units or fundamental units, there are 2 supplementary units to measure angle. One is plane angle. Suppose this is arc of an circle whose center is here and radius of the circle is r. Then this small angle d theta is equal to ds divided by r. This is known as plane angle and its unit is radian, and it is a ratio. So if ds is in centimeter, r is in centimeter, centimeter will cancel each other, but we write this ratio as radian. So here is the formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius. Other is for solid angle. Solid angle, suppose this is center of a sphere and this is a small surface area on a sphere. Then this surface area makes an angle at the center. It is forming a cone. So this is small angle d omega. This is d omega is equal to dA by r square, and its unit is steradian. It is also a ratio. If dA is measured in centimeter square and unit of r is centimeter, so centimeter square cancels, but this ratio is known as steradian. So this is unit for solid angle. कोन को ऐसे समझ सकते हैं, सपोज ये आइसक्रीम के लिए कोन्स हैं, जो आइसक्रीम वेंडर जो डिफरेंट कोन्स में आइसक्रीम सेल कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ सॉलिड एंगल कैसा है, कम है, एंड हेयर सॉलिड एंगल इज मोर. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल फोकस ऑन प्लेन एंगल. सो हेयर वी विल फोकस ऑन प्लेन एंगल. नाउ let us try to understand what is meaning of 1 meter length. So 1 meter is defined as the distance containing 1650763.73 wavelengths of the orange light emitted by krypton 86. krypton 86 से जो ऑरेंज लाइट एमिट होती है उसकी वेवलेंथ का इतने टाइम्स, so many times, it is 16,50,763 3.73 times wavelength of orange light. Now modern definition of meter is: the meter is the length of the path travelled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1/299,792,458 of a second. 1 सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड के इतने पार्ट में जितनी डिस्टेंस लाइट वैक्यूम में ट्रेवल करती है, दैट डिस्टेंस इज 1 मीटर. एंड यू नो दैट वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इज नियरली 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. इसके पहले जो मीटर की डिफिनेशन थी वो पेरिस में रखे एक प्लेटिनम इरिडियम रॉड के लेंथ के बराबर मानी जाती थी, लेकिन अब मीटर्स की डिफिनेशन ये है. सो ऑल दीज बेस यूनिट्स आर फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स, सप्लीमेंट्री यूनिट्स एंड डिराइव्ड यूनिट्स. दे फॉर्म सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स. Before 1971, there are 3 systems of unit: CGS, centimeter, gram, second, and FPS, which is also known as British system of unit, foot, pound, second, and MKS, meter, kilogram, and second. So in CGS, length is measured in centimeter, weight is measured in, mass is measured in gram, and time in second. In British system, length is measured in foot and mass is measured in pound and time in second. And in MKS system, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kg, and time is measured in second. So there was a conference in weight and measures in 1971 in France, and from that conference nowadays meter, kilogram, second system, which is known as MKS system, is internationally accepted. This is also known as SI system of units. I stands for international. So today, modern days, we use this MKS system, which is internationally accepted. Here are some units of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter, or 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter, 1 millimeter 10 to the power minus 3 meter, or 0.001 meter, 1 micron, this is symbol for micron. 1 micron is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter, and 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Now kg, kilogram. 1 kg is defined as the mass of a platinum iridium alloy cylinder kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures in Paris, France. Now 1 quintal is equal to 10 power 2 kg. 100 kg means 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. And 1 milligram is equal to 10 power minus 3 gram, or 10 power minus 6 kg. Second, students, in 24 hours there are 86,400 seconds. So 1 second is 1/86,400 part of a day. Now modern definition of second is this: 1 second is defined as the time interval in which cesium atom completes 9192631770 vibrations in an atomic clock. 1 सेकेंड में एटॉमिक क्लॉक में सीजियम एटम इतने वाइब्रेशन करता है, जितने टाइम में सीजियम एटम सो मच वाइब्रेशन. 9 अरब 19 crore 26 lakh 31,770 vibrations in 1 second. Here are some smaller units of second. 1 millisecond is equal to 10 to the minus 3 second. 1 nanosecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 second. 1 microsecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 second. 1 picosecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 second. Now have a look in measurement of angle. Suppose this is a circle whose center is C and there is a arc on this circle AB. This is a straight line and this AB is arc. So angle theta is measured as arc, means this arc AB divided by radius. Now if theta is small, here theta is written is equal to S by R. So S is equal to R into theta and unit of this angle is radian. Now if theta is small, suppose this is d theta, then this arc will also be small, it is ds. So d theta will be equal to ds by r. Suppose in this diagram this AB is 10 centimeter. So I am talking about AB arc and this is AB chord. Now if B and A point are very close to each other, then this chord AB will be nearly equal to this arc S. So here let AB chord is equal to 10 centimeter and arc AB is equal to 10.3 centimeter. जो chord AB है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर है, जिसको हम हिंदी में जीवा कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में इसे chord कहते हैं CHORD chord. ये 10 सेंटीमीटर है और आर्क 10.3 सेंटीमीटर है. सो वी कैन टेक लेंथ ऑफ आर्क नियरली 10 सेंटीमीटर. So angle will be equal to 10 upon 100 means 0.1 radian. Now in next video we will know the relation between degree and arc. You also know that angle is also measured in degree. So in next video I will proceed from here. This angle is written is in radian and you know very well that angle is also measured in degree. So we will establish relation between degree and radian. Thanks.